We've come to Hawaii with the DJI Pocket 2 to meet filmmaker Sam Nutman. A professional gimbal operator, Sam has come to Kona to practice underwater cinematography. We'll tag along as he uses the DJI Pocket 2 to capture the story of the ocean, both above and below the surface.
My name is Sam Nutman. I'm a cinematographer and gimbal operator out of Seattle, Washington. I'm part of a group called Motion State, and we specialize in impossible shots, things that are difficult to do. My girlfriend and I, we decided, let's go to Hawaii and learn underwater photography and videography. The amazing thing about being here is there's so much diverse wildlife. So if you want to swim with sea turtles, there are places to go for sea turtles. We've shot a ton of stuff with dolphins, which has been just incredible. Coming to Hawaii has given me a little bit of time to sort of play around with new things that have come out. Having the DJI Pocket 2 gives me this other tool that doesn't take up a lot of space. I can pull it out and get some quick shots. There's not a lot of fussing, you just go. The DJI Pocket 2, with the underwater housing, you actually have a stabilized gimbal underwater, which is kind of incredible. On the first day, we came down to Kealakekua Bay. This is a very famous bay. It's where Captain Cook was killed. It comes with a little lavalier mic, a wireless lav mic, so I just stuck that right on my collar. And we're testing out this microphone to see if it works for all you people out there that actually know how to vlog. I am terrible at vlogging. And we just kind of walked around with the device to get to know it a little bit. Walking to the water and having a look, which is what we do every day. Scope out where we might swim for the day. Just kind of playing around with its ability to follow you with roll, pan, and tilt. And the thing is so light, you can really just maneuver it kind of however you want. It's nice to be able to just play, you know? The DJI Pocket 2 has what they call Active Track, and it is a software that allows you to essentially just highlight something in the shot and it will track with it. If you want to shoot anything and have it look cinematic, the only way you're going to accomplish that on a bright day is with ND filters. And they're magnetic, so they just sort of pop right on the front. They're super easy to use. It's a small thing, but it's absolutely essential if you want your footage to look nice. The Pocket 2 doesn't just shoot video, it also shoots photos. It can do time-lapse, which is really handy, especially with a motorized gimbal. So if you want like a sweeping pan time-lapse, it's all built in. One of the coolest dives here in Hawaii, and in fact it's listed as one of the best dives in the world, is the manta ray night dive. Hey guys, so we're about to go diving with giant manta rays. We're loading up the boat and we're gonna go see some. The Pocket's been pretty handy just for doing like little sort of vlog type of things, because you don't want to take the camera out of the housing every time you want to get a little clip or talk to the camera. It's impossible, really. So having that second camera handy whenever you need a moment like that is really nice. The Pocket 2 was the perfect thing to have on the boat. The boat's rocking and bouncing all over the place, but this little stabilizer just smooths it all out. It was really cool. And it's so small that if I wanted to lean over the boat railing and get a shot of the wake, get little shots of the tanks or do little reveals, there's just nothing to it. So they put a bunch of lights on the floor of the ocean. It attracts plankton, and then these giant manta rays come in and swoop up all the plankton. It's just unbelievable. It's breathtaking. They're just really majestic creatures. They're gentle, and they're not very shy. They're okay with people. It's a really surreal experience. It's easy to assume just because you're doing large-scale productions and using large gimbals and professional gear that like that's what you do now. But times are changing, and sometimes you're going to be doing a shoot where they say, you know, we can't use a full-size rig, we need something small. So learning the Pocket 2 has been really nice to see like what's new, you know, what's happening, how can I expand my skill set, especially without breaking the bank. This experience in Hawaii has reaffirmed my interest and love for the outdoors and wildlife. It feels really good to be a part of that, and I hope that I can contribute more to teaching people and sharing with people the amazing things that exist under the water and above. But right now it's mostly focused on under.
All right, I have another camera that arrived. I got a DJI Pocket 2 with the Creator Combo on Amazon. I can't freaking wait to open this, but I wanted to do it with you guys. All right, I think I cut the plastic somewhere so I'd be able to open it on camera. Come on. Okay, found it. All right, let's get this plastic off of here. Jesus. This isn't supposed to be the hard part. All right. I've never, like, I've messed with 360 cameras. I've never messed with one of these, and I'm excited. So let's just see what's in it. Is this how it opens? I don't know. Thought maybe the top popped off. I don't think so. Okay, duh. Here we go, guys. Don't try to rip this off. All right, what's this? It's telling you something about with your phone. That's the power button. Download a DJI app. Now they make drones and stuff too, so that's cool. What is this? Oh. Don't eat that. Okay. What is this? Oh, a little wind protector. How cute. I actually made one of these on the GoPro I'm using right now. It's around my neck. And they do make a difference. I think they call them fake cats or dead cats or something. Like if you're looking for a microphone wind protector and you search like dead cat microphone, it comes up. Anyway, weird. What is this? Is this all spare parts? A spare button or something? I don't know. Look at this, it's like Christmas. What are all these little parts? Hold on, how many are in here? Okay, nothing else. Little handle thing. USB-C charging cable, something. Oh, you know what? I think these are phone adapters. Yeah, so iPhone, anyway, we get the picture. Well, I lied because I don't know. This isn't one, so what is this? I have no idea. I have to see. It's like Lego. Oh, spare lens. That's cool. I've never had a camera come with spare parts. And this is USB-C. Okay, so that must be, kind of looks like, doesn't it look like it does something like that, huh? I don't know. All right. I won't need that one. I don't have an iPhone. So this must be, so this is the Creator Combo. So I will make a note of what comes in here versus just the regular one. Okay, look at this. So this must be the camera. Now, if you're watching my other videos, I'm scared of scratching lenses. So before I take any of this stuff off, I'm gonna see if there's any sort of protectors for the camera lens. It looks like power button. What's that? So this must be what it was talking about here. Your phone or whatever goes in there. Or, yeah, so that's cool. Power button. Charge. Now, maybe this has an internal battery. Here's memory card slot. Yeah, I'm not seeing like a battery compartment, but I'll have to check. This must be like the little protective cover thing. Wide angle lens, it says in there. This has a screw in it too, that's cool. All right, what's in here? I assume like a manual. This has like foam on it. Anyway, sorry. Nothing else. Okay. Creator Combo stickers. Manual. What's this? Warranty stuff. Okay, so it's a quick start guide. We'll try that. Okay, so here's battery, so I was dead wrong. Does it go in here? Anyway, we'll have to figure that out, where this battery goes. What's this? Some kind of microphone thing, I think. Looks like a receiver. And whatever this is, oh, maybe this goes on here or something. Lots of parts, jeez. What's this? Heavy. What is this? The Does this move? No, I don't know what this is. Okay, so I got my work cut out. I don't even know what any of this stuff is. So I'm gonna read the manual and then I'll be back.